Satu.
Woi. Shh. Assalamualaikum. Aku ni Black. Ni kawan aku Apek. Aku nak tanya ni. Tandas kat mana? Kawan aku nak berak ni.
Tak boleh guna tandas. Tandas terkunci.
Sekarang ni aku tak kisah. Hang boleh cari kunci tak? Kami perlu cari tandas
berhenti.
sekarang.
Cepat Black.
Apek, hang sabar sat. Cik. Aku cari kunci je. Kawan aku ni makan tempoyak dengan petai. Sekarang dia betul-betul nak terberak. Boleh tepi sikit?
Tempoyak masak lemak. Padan lah.
Budak kecil, tolong tepi sikit. Ya! Aduh, kaki aku. Sakitnya. Sakit budak. Ingat apa seorang je kerti kungfu lah. Aku ada silat harimau lah. Ingat aku takut.
Tepi.
Tahu takut. Ingat aku ni cikai-cikai je. Apa tengok?
Black cepat.
Tepi.
Tak tahan tadi.
Ush. Apa besar? Makan apa siul? Sampai besar badan macam ni. Sorry. Apa aku rasa tak jumpa kunci ni. Budak ni angkat aku macam anak dia dah. Aduh, pinggang aku.
Black, hang okey?
Really? Perut aku. Aduh.
Ya.
Tunggu Pek. Aduh Pek. Dia pijak kaki aku pula. Ui, silap aku cakap pasal dengan budak Cina ni. Aduh. Macam mana pula cakap Cina ni kat budak besar ni? Jangankan. Ingat yang besar aku takut. Aku rasa kisah tu tempat nak berak ni. Macam susah je. Nampak ni? Padang ni. Ingat aku takut lah padang besar. Nampak ya? Nampak ni? Nampak ni? Aku pandai main ni. Aduh, kepala aku sakitnya. Aduh. Nampak batang kayu ni? Ni tepi lah. Ni aku punya lah. Aduh, baiklah aku punya. Turunkan aku minta maaf. Turunkan aku. Habis aku nak berak je main sini. Bukan nak buat apa pun.
Dah, berhenti. Buat baris.
Aduh, pinggang dengan perut aku.
Okey guys, tunduk hormat. Hang nak apa hitam?
Sakit perut. Aku nak cari kunci tu. Mana kunci tu?
Mana aku nak tahu?
Takkan tak tahu.
Aku tak tahu.
Aku tanya betul-betul ni. Mana kunci tu?
Aku dah abang, aku tak tahu.
Yok sangat orang tu.
Aku ingat je.
Habis tu mana kunci? Aku cari kunci ni.
Kunci hilang.
Mana boleh hilang pula?
Betul lah aku cakap.
Ayo, aku cari. Aku tanya. Macam mana
percaya.
boleh hilang kunci?
Aku tak tahu.
Bukan hang ke?
Ha?
Dia yang hilangkan kunci tu kan? Hang biar
Dia yang hilangkan kunci tu, bukan aku.
Mana kunci tu? Hang kan hilangkan? Atau budak tu? Geramlah aku. Aku nak berak ni. Sakit
Relax.
perut. Aku sakit pinggang. Kena pukul lagi.
Tak apa. Kita pergi cari Petronas.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aziz Kumabin Azna Matric 298074. So my role in this assignment is to edit the audio. I trim the audio and fix it correctly in the video. So what I'm going to do is for introduction for the reflection video. This document detail our work assignment 2 creative audio course which involve creative voice sound effect, automatic dialogue replacement. The task was to show we could put design and synchronize audio and video using practical resources. We picked the Yumi scene from Rush Hour 3 2007 for this assignment. Because discussion between Lee, Carter and the two fresh police officers involved a lot of verbal conversation or some movement. It allowed us to blend Foley and ADR technique. Our team mainly did the scening, added sound effect and export the finished video using CapCut. Group member divide the task with one member dealing voice editing, taking on the job of scripting, timer and dialogue. The final 3 member perform the dialogue again to follow the character animation and overall tone. That's all. So next.
Hi, my name is Daniel Adam. Today I will try to explain to you guys about a Foley process. So before we start, we need to understand what is the Foley. Foley is the process of creating sound effect that match the visual in a film. It's what make every movement feel real. For this project, we focus on the dojo from the scene from Rush Hour 3. Our goal was to recreate a sound effect like sword clashing, sliding door, footstep, and body impact to make the scene more immersive and believable. So every sound was made manually using a real object. For example, sword sounds. We clash metal such as a ruler and knife together to recreate the sound of metal clashing. Then a wooden drawer become our sliding door. Custom martial arts uniform help us to capture subtle close movement. For the impact sound, we experience drop a heavy bag for a realistic fall, hit a pillow against the wall to simulate someone being thrown, using thin wooden stick for bamboo sounds. We also use our mobile phone for record the sound of that. Okay, from this project, we learned that effort goes into sound design, thing we normally don't even notice when watching a movie. We learn to be resourceful, patient, and creative, using everyday item to make something cinematic. In the end, the final video feel more alive because of the sound we add, and it shows us how important teamwork in the creative process. That's all from me. Thank you. Hi, it's me again, Daniel Adam. So now I will try to explain to you guys about our ADR process. So in our Rush Hour 3 Dojo Scene project, the original dialogue was hard to hear due to background noise and fast action. To make sure the audience could clearly hear the line, we use ADR. The ADR stands for Automated Dialogue Replacement, a process used in the film industry to re-record voice in a battle condition. This helped us deliver clearly, more emotional dialogue while still keeping the scene energy and humor. We started by writing a clean version of the script based on the scene. Then our team member practiced the dialogue, mimicking the character voice, expression, and timing. We recorded multiple times in a quiet room, especially for Douglas Chung narration, to avoid any noise. After that, all the audio was brought into a CapCut where we synced the line perfectly with the mouse movement and added ambient effect for realism. Then, ADR taught us how detailed sound editing can completely transform scenes quality. We learned how to handle challenge like overlapping dialogue and fast pacing by recording from multiple angles and adjusting pitch or volume when needed. Even with the basic tool, we reach the professional level of clarity and emotional build, showing how creative effort matter more than having expensive equipment.
For the challenges, point number one, difficulty in getting high quality video. It was difficult for us to find a clean original video without any editing or subtitle. Because of that, we had no choice but to use a video from YouTube. They are already subtitled. They made the video look messy and less professional, and it also affect how the audience focus on our audio and dialogue. For point number two, challenges in matching audio with mouse movement. We doing ADR, we had to make sure that our new voice matched the mouse movement of the original actor. This was one of the hard setbacks. The original video had a lot of fast talking and physical expression, which made difficult to sing our voice correctly. We had to record many times to get the timing, and this took a lot effort and time. For point number three, sound effect using room item. We use bottle, key, and shoes to produce sound. so the action scene will less realistic. For point number 4, difference in microphone quality. Not all members of the group use the same recording equipment. Some use phone, microphone, laptop or external device, and in the case significant difference in sound quality in one video.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nasuna bin Muhammad Nassim. Band my metric is 302273. For today, I want to present about my producing rush hour for emergency mission toilet. And I, as the voice actor, I had to match cutted the voice to energy, emotion, and timing with the video. It was just reading the line. I had to edge through my voice, especially during the funny and acoustic moment, like when Agatha was panicking and shouting for the toilet. Some lines were quiet and fast expressive, so I need a multiply take to get the timing and emotion just right for the voice actor. Our team also work on a Foley using the object. We use shoes to the first step, knife for sound, and table for body heat. It was a fun approach as how to be a creative problem solver when the perfect sound was available. This whole project helped me improve my voice acting skill and understand how important sound is in a storyline. It's not just a technical, it's a performance. And most importantly, we learn how to work together and support each other throughout the process. Thank you. That's my presentation for today. Bye.
In conclusion, this project gives us a deeper appreciation for the power of storytelling. Through the use of Foley and ADR, we learn how audio can shape the emotion, timing, and impact of a scene. Even with the limited tools and basic software, we are able to produce a high-quality final video by being creative and working as a team. This experience shows us that sound is not just a background element; it is key part of what makes a scene beautiful and engaging. Most important, it taught us how collaboration, precision, and local creativity can turn a simple project into something meaningful and enjoyable. So, thank you. This is our part.